Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. This is coming from SWEETNIGHT. Oh, baby. We got a bed in the box. Full size. Oh, yes. So you might want to have two people to give you a hand. Or just yourself. Just take it easy when you do it. And about to open this up, show you what it looks like. And of course, you guys can get it now. All you gotta do is click the link, choose your size, and add it to your cart. Ship to you fast. And we'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers. Oh boy. This guy looks a little toughy. But definitely you might want to get two people to help you. And this is my spare bedroom right now. We got the full size. There's a box. I destroyed it. But bed is safe. And we're going to... Oh, they send you inside this. Where'd it go? They sent you one of these to cut the plastic. So just be careful where you cut it. You don't want to slice your mattress. That part's coming up. Be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers. Here we are. We got the SWEETNIGHT full-size mattress. All on the box. It's going to give it a few more minutes to let it fully deflate, I guess, or inflate. But it's super comfy. Dog's happy. There he is. But here it is, though. All you got to do is click the link down below, add it to your cart, find your size you want, and check out. They'll ship this to you really fast. But this is so super comfy, guys. Great material. Nice style. And super, super comfy, though. Definitely get a good night to sleep on this. Because that is very important now. Definitely to get some sleep. What's that? What's that? So definitely check them out, guys. Link will be down below. Be safe. Have a great weekend. See you soon.